Creating a YouTube channel is relatively straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Sign in or create a Google account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign into YouTube with a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one for free. 2. Navigate to YouTube Studio. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage your channel. 3. Create your channel. In YouTube Studio, click on the Create button in the left sidebar, then select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to set up your channel name, customize your channel layout, and upload a profile picture and banner. 4. Customize your channel. Once your channel is created, you can customize it further by adding a channel description, links to your social media accounts, and other information. You can also adjust your channel settings, such as privacy settings and notifications. 5. Upload videos. To upload videos to your channel, click on the Create button in YouTube Studio and select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Choose the video file you want to upload from your computer. Then follow the prompts to add a title, description, and tags. 6. Optimize your videos. When uploading videos, make sure to optimize them for search by using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results and attract more viewers. 7. Promote your channel. Once your channel is set up and you've uploaded some videos, start promoting it to attract subscribers and viewers. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience to grow your channel. 8. Monetize your channel. If you meet the eligibility requirements, you can apply to monetize your channel and earn money from ads, channel memberships, and other monetization features. Keep in mind that it may take some time to meet the requirements for monetization. 9. Keep creating and engaging. Consistently upload new content to your channel and engage with your audience by responding to comments, hosting live streams, and participating in community discussions. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, so stay consistent and keep improving your content over time. By following these steps and staying committed to creating high-quality content, you can build a successful YouTube channel and connect with viewers around the world.